I'm in the solar renewable energy sort of business industry. We had been starting a process of really building out our Salesforce to be more beneficial for what we were looking to do. We were very, very basic Salesforce usage before now. I myself handle all the operations and administration and integrations for our organization. And so right now we just wanted to try to find a solution to kind of do better PDFs and generation and Word forms. You guys have been great, very attentive to the needs. I first put it in Sandbox, tested it through there, worked perfectly. Deployed to production and worked just as well there. You guys have been great with a couple of questions I had, so thank you.